Are you seeing the APC?
Yes, I am. But I mean, APC, in Hausa they say APC Tagumi.
What does that mean?
Watch and see.
You're one of those who helped, in your little way, helped to form the APC.
Yes.
But the last 8 years of Buhari, 2 years of Bola Tinubu, 10 years in total, are you proud of what you helped to form?
No, I'm not. I'm really not happy. I thought APC was really ready for victory. We did not know how to manage victory, and I don't think we were ready for governance, truly ready. You see people screaming, oh, I'm for the people, I'm for the people. But once they get there, you'll be asking, is this the same person that I used to know? So a lot of people, Nigeria is a very funny country. So that's why sometimes it's really hard to believe anybody that comes with maybe a project of, oh, I am this person, I'm good, I'm going to take you out of the trenches. It's all a lie. If I'm going to run for office, I'll never make promises.
Like you have to make campaign.
Yeah, you have to, but
manifesto.
There is a way you can make promises that will not, because when you get there, it's completely different. You would think that when you get there, oh, I can just.
So government is a messy place.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Are you disappointed with the Tinubu government's performance?
A little bit. I am. Truly, I am. Because I feel like, for example, if a policy is going to be introduced that will affect the people, there should be something that should be replaced before that is being taken off. You can't just give birth to a child and the child will start running. There are processes. They start sitting, crawling, before they start the 1 step, 2 step and running. You can't just remove something from people, and that is difficult.
Was that insensitive as far as you're concerned?
I think it's a bit insensitive. It is.
Do you think they can fix it?
They can, if they want to.
How?
They should get experts, people that know the job. And they should.
And the people then, is it that they don't know the job?
No, they don't. Most of them don't.
The Tinubu cabinet?
Yeah. Maybe out of the ministers, maybe 3, 4.
There's sound.
Yeah. So I don't think.
It's an empty cabinet, empty shell as far as you're concerned. But Wike is there.
He's performing.
Olubunmi Tunji is there.
He did 1 or 2 things.
The Minister for Digital Economy, the Minister for Arts Culture, she's there. There are people that we see doing stuff.
Yeah, but how many ministers are there? 40-something?
About 49 or thereabout. 47.
So how many people did you count now? About 3 or 4? There isn't really much they're doing. I think it's just a waste.
Have you given up on APC?
I'm just highly disappointed. Very disappointed. I actually thought that, there are some places I can't go to. During Buhari's time, second tenure, they broke my windscreen. Because they said, oh, you promised us, now you're enjoying your inside car. Before, when you go to traffic lights, you see them begging, using their hands like this. Now they will knock on your window. Now they will snatch whatever it is that you have. So even if you think, oh, it doesn't affect me, it's coming. I am afraid of the storm that is coming.
There's a storm.
Oh, yeah, there's a storm that is coming. People
and it could consume the APC.
People would think that, it's the North. The North, they don't go to school. There's insecurity. If it blows up in the North, Nigeria is gone. So we have to fix it.
So APC is a difficult name to bear, a difficult party name, a title to bear in public now. Is that dangerous?
Yes, it is. Let me tell you, there was a reconciliation meeting we had at Women's Center for FCT APC members. I only saw 1 APC cap. A lady called me last week. She said, we need to start a support group to start campaign for 2027. I said, so what do you want us to do? We should call women. I said, call women. You want to call women with me? I said, don't call me. What do you want me to tell them? I've already used my goodwill. I've already said, what I'm supposed to say. What do you want me to go and tell them now? So that they will eat me and you. I said, no, go. I'm not doing.
Are you giving up on the chances of young people in politics and possible the development of this country?
You see, we young people were worse in Nigeria. We're worse. We're not even ready. We're not ready. I have a program called Ario 100% Focus. We have an event tomorrow in Kaduna. And when I read the comments when we posted to invite people, and they were like, oh, so what are we getting? You know, we want to see how on our own little way we can address some of the situations that are happening in the North. So I really am not too sure about young people in Nigeria. I don't think they're ready. I don't think they really understand the gravity of what is coming, you know, because this elderly people, they're still there.
This coalition is basically formed to unseat Bola Tinubu and the APC in 2027. Do you think, I mean, similar to what happened in 2014, 2015, when an incumbent was defeated right in office, do you think this coalition can remove Tinubu and the APC in 2027?
If they're united, if they leave their interest and bring out the best person.
But how easy is it to beat Tinubu in 2027?
They have to bring all their army on board. You know, it's not easy when somebody is in power. You know, and then if you come attacking somebody or you come fighting somebody that is in power and is just one whole person and he has a whole lot of team for him, and then you come scattered, there's no way you can make it.
As a northerner, what is the North saying about Tinubu?
Honestly, I don't have good reviews. It's really bad. It's really bad.
Do you think the North will vote for Tinubu?
Maybe 30% or less. Or less.
It's going to be worse than the last election, 2023?
Oh, yeah, it's going to be. It's going to be.
What do you think the chances of Tinubu winning this election on a scale of 1 to 10?
It is going to be the toughest battle that he will ever see.
In 2027, there has been the agitation that power remains in the South. Do you buy that sentiment?
I don't buy the idea of power North, power South. I believe the best person should lead.
Even if it causes rancor, national rancor, to say the Southern man is just worried run for 8 years, the Southern man is there only for 4 years.
If Obi can lead Nigeria and make Nigeria better and turn Nigeria better than Dubai, I'll support him. But the thing is now, let me tell you, each and every one of us are too scared now of supporting people. Because we've done it before. We had this hope that, oh, this person is better. Oh, once this person comes in, he's going to change things. And it didn't work out that way. So what is in the mind of a person is in the mind of a person. So I don't really... Nigeria is a very complex society where we've already been divided across, regions, across religion, across tribes and stuff. So everybody wants a piece of that cake. So I believe that Nigeria should be allowed. Nigeria should be should be governed by somebody that is capable, that is competent.
Have you given up?
Almost.
What do you think can be done to revive your hope?
Do we even have it anymore? We need selflessness. We need to put Nigeria first. That is the most important thing. When you put Nigeria first, then not you. Most people go there because they feel like, okay, this is the new venture that I will make money. And I feel like that is what is giving us all this backwardness. Our system is so bad that even if you have good intentions and you get there, it will never work. So anybody that leaves, people are saying Goodluck was better than Buhari. People are saying Buhari is better than Tinubu. That is how it will keep going if we do not fix the system. So it's about the system. It's not even about the people. If the system works, the system will deal with the person. So I think we need to fix that, and we need to put Nigeria first.
Zainab Buba Galadima, such a pleasure talking to you.